Welcome. If you're having trouble downloading files on the WhatsApp app for PC, don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to troubleshoot and get your downloads working again. Let's get started. First things first, try closing and reopening the app. Sometimes, a quick restart of the WhatsApp app can fix minor glitches. Just close it completely, wait a few seconds, and open it back up. Once it loads, check if you're able to download your files. If that doesn't work, ask the sender to resend the files. Sometimes the file might not have been sent properly, or there could be a glitch with the transfer. Have them resend the files and see if that solves the issue. Next, try logging out and logging back into your WhatsApp account. To do this, click on your profile photo at the bottom left corner of the app and select Log Out. After confirming, open the app again and click Get Started. From there, select your region, enter your phone number, and then open WhatsApp on your phone. On Android, tap the menu button, and on iPhone, go to Settings. From there, tap on Linked Devices and select Link a Device. Scan the QR code or enter the code that appears on your PC screen. Sometimes, restarting your PC can help resolve issues with the app. To do this, press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. After restarting, check if the download works. Another thing to try is switching to a different network. If your current network is slow or unstable, it might affect your ability to download files. To change networks, click on the network icon in the notifications area at the bottom right of your screen and select a different network. Make sure to also check your internet connection. Click on the network icon again and ensure you're connected to a stable network. If there's an issue with your connection, try resetting your router or connecting to another network. If none of that works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the WhatsApp app. Press the Windows icon, type Uninstall App, and find WhatsApp in the list. Click the three dots next to the app and select Uninstall. Once the app is uninstalled, go to the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp and click Install. And that's it. Follow these simple steps to get WhatsApp downloading files on your PC again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.